Hi, this is John and Amy with TPF Trips, Places, and Fun, and today we are here at Shepherd of the Hills Adventure Park, where we are going to experience the Copperhead Mountain Coaster. Today is their soft opening, and we're super excited to be one of the first to try it.
Yeah, and there's already a bit of a line that started to form right over there, so we're excited. And we're gonna go in and get our tickets, and yeah, it's gonna be a good day.
Yes.
We got our tickets, look at that.
All right, now we're just waiting. It opens at 10, so I don't know how much time we have left. Not very much time.
So we're gonna be among the first to ever ride Copperhead Mountain Coaster. Oh, there goes some zip lining. We did that the other day. That video's not up yet, it'll be up soon. That was a great day.
That was really fun.
And so as you can see, while I'm sure the track is ready to go, they still are finishing up on, I guess, some of the final touches here.
Yep.
And there is Inspiration Tower where the Vigilante zip line is. Shepherd of the Hills has gone under quite the expansion in recent years.
It has. I remember when it was mostly just the outdoor drama, and now it's turned into this whole adventure park. So you can come here and spend the whole day if you want.
Yeah, it's incredible. So they have Vigilante, which is right above us. Now we have the brand new
Copperhead
Mountain, and they've got ropes courses and
over here, zip lining.
the zip line.
Yep, and then they have a place to eat, Shepherd's Mill Restaurant.
ATV tours.
And they also have an ice cream shop. They have a little playland for the kids. You can pet some goats, so all sorts of stuff.
You can pet goats?
Yes.
Woo, wow. That's awesome. And it's a beautiful day, but it's gonna be hot. It's early in the morning, or it's 10 a.m.
Yeah, I'm glad we came early.
But you can feel it. You feel it in the air. When I used to work at Silver Dollar City, I'd work in the parking lot, and I'd get out there at 7:30 in the morning, and you would always be able to know if it was going to be a terribly miserable day standing out on the asphalt all day. You could tell. You could feel it in the air.
So, pro tip, if you want to ride the mountain coaster on a hot day and do it comfortably, come in the morning.
If you want to do anything in Branson
Yeah,
on
a hot day comfortably, do it in the morning. Or in the evening.
Or in the evening.
Yes.
All right, Amy, hours of operation here at
well, according to Instagram, and look, there's
Copperhead.
a cool video of someone riding it. See that?
That's gonna be us in just a minute.
Yeah. According to Instagram, they're currently open 10 to 5, so that'll probably change, you know, as things progress, but for now, that's their hours.
All right. Oh, look at that, Amy. Over there, they've got the signs they're about to hang up.
Tickets and
waivers. I love it. All right, and yeah, definitely big, huge, mega shout out to the folks at Shepherd of the Hills for making this possible. Great people here. Just love it. Love Shepherd of the Hills. I would love to see the outdoor drama again this year. That is legendary, classic Branson, Missouri. All right, it is time. Amy, it is time, it is time, it is time.
They're letting us get started, so
Yeah.
at least we're moving up towards the track. So they can sit two people. So if you have a younger person with you, it looks like they could ride with a driver. We're not sure what that height requirement is for the younger person.
Yeah, well, there's some kiddos in line. I bet they're going to be riding with.
Yeah. You have to maintain a, does that say 80-foot distance between you and the sled in front of you?
never bump carts, and do not stop unless there's an emergency, which I do not foresee that happening.
You have to maintain 160 feet in wet or icy conditions.
Ah.
A sled, because it's what are these called? Like alpine coasters, mountain coasters.
Yeah.
So they call them sleds.
You have to do an incredible job of keeping it incredibly still.
I will try.
So you've had a bit of a history of a willing and wonderful camera person, but capable, I don't know. Usually get a lot of shake, so I'm entrusting the GoPro.
I don't know why you're trusting
right
me
here
with
on
this.
your wrist. As you go down the mountain coaster, our microphones are attached to your device.
It's a lot to think about at one time. Videoing and like using whatever. Okay, wait.
What?
The brakes on this arm. I think maybe we should put this on this arm.
No, there's two brakes. There's one on each side.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. I don't have a lot of confidence in my ability to pull this off.
I don't either.
Is it still going? Hi.
We are wired up. You seem to be still trying to figure this. It's very simple GoPro out.
Well, it wants to.
Well, the cool thing about this is it auto levels. So if
Okay.
you have some shake, or even if you go this far, it will not lose. It won't shake. It'll stay focused.
Okay.
Just don't go too crazy.
Okay.
Because if this video doesn't work, it's you.
It's a lot of responsibility. Wow. They look so pretty and brand new.
I think they have little elves in the back that are hammering these out, and then when they're done, they just come sliding out to the track.
Mm-hmm.
You think so? Uh-oh, we got away.
What's the weight limit?
It's a bad thing.
Well,
Especially
luckily-
here in Branson, where you gain 10 pounds every couple days.
Is it me?
Your chariot has arrived.
Oh my. Okay. I'm a little nervous.
Your chariot has arrived.
There's mine right there.
Okay. Okay, it's starting me off slow because I haven't pushed all the way down. Ah! Okay. 5. Here we go.
Buckle your seatbelt.
Do I want to slow down?
No, not that one. That one. Like a car.
That didn't feel right.
Woo! Ah! I'm kind of a wimp. I know John's not really going to slow down. 80 feet. Oh, I gotcha. Let you know how far 80 feet is because I wouldn't really know. Woo! Woo! Oh my gosh. Okay, whoa. All right. Okay, hold on. Ah! You're never supposed to stop all the way, so I gotta, hold on. Okay. Ooh, this is cool. This is really cool. Woo! Okay. Here we go.
Here we go.
This is really pretty in here. Woo! Holy moly.
I'm already having fun. So smooth. Uh-oh, here we go. Here we go, baby. Picking up speed. I'm betting Amy used her brakes a whole lot more
This is
than
a
I
long one.
have.
This is a long mountain coaster.
Ah! Ah! My camera's flipping. My camera's flipping. Look at that. I think I better slow down
Right.
for the sake of my
Whoa.
camera.
Track ends at 100 feet. Okay.
There we go.
End of track.
Yeah, so good. I'm gonna fix my camera real quick.
And now it's gonna pull
go.
I think.
I slowed down too much. Now it's just a nice, peaceful, tranquil ride. I slowed down.
All right, now it took over. That was fun.
And we're
it
back.
wasn't very scary, although I did slow down. Had I not slowed down at all, it would have been a little scary.
So if I wasn't filming, I would be wide open the whole way, except they said at the bottom you have to slow down. But I'm going a little slower so I can get some good footage.
I wonder what John's thinking.
Here to see what Amy's up to. She's kind of a rookie camera person.
Here we go.
Pretty camera person, but a rookie. Oh, you guys got to do it. You got to do it. This is big fun.
It's really pretty back in here. Like, you really don't see anything except the woods. Okay, I think that was John. I think he just zipped by back there.
Okay, it says slow. Track ends in 100 feet.
Woo. I hear
End
screaming,
of
though.
track.
People are screaming.
All right. So now it's going to start pulling us back up. And here we go.
There's the track over here. I think that's one of the coolest parts right there. It's going kind of in a, you know, like a corkscrew around and around and down. It's really fun. She's laughing. And right in front of us is Inspiration Tower. If you guys can see that through the trees.
So as we were saying, Shepherd of the Hills has come a long way in the last few years.
Actually, I'm really enjoying this ride back up. Oh look, there goes somebody. Whoa, they said. Yeah, if you don't slow yourself down, it's pretty intense. I probably chickened a little. I wonder if John slowed himself down at all. And there's the little church over there, a little chapel right there. Oh, there goes somebody. There it is. So I think if you want to ride a second time, it's only $10. Oh, there goes somebody with a child. So if you have a youngster with you, they just ride with you in the front. Oh, look at that view. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's a beautiful view. All of Branson.
Hey, how was it?
It was awesome.
I'm gonna have you hop on out to the left side.
Alrighty.
To the tower.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
I'm gonna grab my bag.
Yes, ma'am.
There he is. How was it?
That was awesome. That's super awesome.
Dig it?
I dug it.
Right on, man. I'm just gonna have you hop out over to your left
Okay.
and then head on in the tower.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. I dig your shoes, by the way.
Hey, appreciate it.
John's bright red shoes.
How was it?
That was awesome, huh?
It was really fun. Did you slow down?
Well, I did because my camera got janky.
Okay, same here. But
Your
actually,
camera got janky?
Yes, but actually I probably would have also slowed down without the camera.
No, I told them when I
getting
was on it that if it wasn't for the cameras, I would have kept it wide open the whole way.
Yeah, okay. So I did slow down because it started going pretty quick and I was like, whoa. And
Were
then
you scared?
I was a little nervous, but it wasn't as scary as I thought it would be.
No, it really isn't scary.
And because you can really control the speed.
100%.
Yeah, I think it's a fun time.
Fun time.
No need to be afraid of it.
You can go as fast or as slow as you want. You
Yeah.
could go as slow as a crawl if you wanted to.
Yeah.
So,
yeah, they
so
say
some,
you can never completely stop.
No.
But you can go slow if you want to.
So kiddos out there, if you're looking at this and you saw all our crazy camera work and it's like, oh my gosh, like, no, you can really go slow and you go as slow as you want.
Yeah, and the youngsters can ride with their parents. So I
Yeah.
saw a couple of younger ones riding with their parents and they were having a blast.
Yep.
So, yeah, all right.
I feel like I'm getting a workout with my arm here.
I know, my arm's getting tired. All right.
So I guess, Amy, we can
Sign off
and say goodbye.
This was a super fun time. Thanks to Jeff and Janelle and all the great folks at Shepherd of the Hills for having us out. We loved it. We were so excited to be one of the first to ride this. And you guys should check it out because it's a great time.
For
Safe travel,
sure.
everyone.
Safe travels.